Welcome back to another Animal Company video. We're gonna be going mining. Okay,
Let's go mining.
Me and Angel always gives me hook shots, so I have to give him always pickaxe. You already have. He took mine though. He took my pickaxe. Alright, do I have my backpack on? Do I already have my backpack on?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Hook shot's literally probably one of the best weapons. Well, not weapons, gadgets.
Want me to show you the mines?
Yeah. Because Angel actually plays this game more than I do, so he knows routes. Because they always change routes. Oh, I'm stuck. Alright, I'm coming. Well, I'm gonna try to get hook shot today, even though I have 0 research. Alright, do we want to go to Planetarium?
I forgot the planetarium. I haven't checked this out.
Right. Not here. Oh, I know where it is.
Not sure.
So here? Why is everything closed?
I don't know.
Why is everything closed?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
I'm not asking you. I'm asking myself. Alright.
Are you?
Everything. I'm on second floor.
Point down here.
I see Jimmy. I see Dave. There's a spider on my ceiling and I'm naming it Dave. Spider Dave, you better beat it.
Wanna kill Spider Dave? Whoa. I'm Aiden.
What? I got him.
Come here. Come where I am.
Yeah, it turns black. I know.
There's no textures. Look.
Yeah, I saw it just now.
What the heck? Aiden.
Yo, I'm not getting any research points.
Me either.
Yo, is Animal Company broken? Yeah, I'm just gonna go back.
Go back.
Get me out of the spider web. Something's telling me that's made of netherite.
Not for real. Oh, I just got one, I think. Yeah.
Alright, so you can get research. So you can get research.
Oh, look. No, here. You're good. Come. Aiden.
Okay, can I have
You
that
get
one?
those two, I get these two.
Alright, no, none there. Nope, no.
Look, a lot of research points.
Oh wait, maybe this is the new planetarium. The planetarium. Oh, I got one. Okay. That's
It
probably.
looks like one. Yeah, it is. It is, I think.
Alright, I have 3 research points. We need 2 more.
There's a mimic, by the way.
Where?
Behind us.
Yep, it is. It is. It is. There we go. Hey. Angel, have you already gotten your daily research point?
No.
Oh, you can still get more?
I haven't been mining these past days.
Alright, make sure I get some more, because I still have to get, because you're way more decked out than I am. The only thing I have to checkmate you is the pickaxes, but we already made a agreement that I give you pickaxes. Give me I need 1 more research point. We made the planet bold.
Wait, can we go mining one more time? Because I need just one more research point.
Same.
So I can get, what was it called?
Alright, should we go back to Overworld? Alright, make sure to give me back, I'm gonna get myself a pickaxe in a second. I need to get small. Alright, let me get small quick.
Oh.
Yeah, we still have our items.
Yeah.
Is there any? Let me try to shrink back down.
Bro, your backpack is so tiny. Compared to you.
I can't even. Oh, here it is.
It's the Titan!
See it there.
It's the Titan!
No,
It's the
now
small
none of us are the
Titan.
Titan. No. Don't kill me. Alright, let's see. What do I need? Alright, they added some new items. Let's check. Police shield.
Aiden, you want to save up.
I'm saving up for. Yeah, I'm still saving up.
Yeah, after you get hookshot, you should get like.
Wait, I can get. Wait, I thought I could. I thought this was hookshot and that was heat blade. Never mind. This is a hard gun. Alright. Shall we go back into the mines in a few minutes?
Yeah.
Alright. First of all, let's get ourselves decked out. Oh wait, you need this. You need this. I already have mine.
Thank you.
Here.
I want to give you like a bunch of hook shots.
No, I'm good.
Is that the first hook shot that I ever gave to you?
That was the second.
This is the second you saved that.
Yeah, I just left the game with it and I kept going. Like whenever you leave the game, remember how you drop a hook shot sometimes when I don't have mine? Yeah, I grab that hook shot and leave the game. So I can still keep it. It's called money saving. Alright, let's wait a bit for them to respond. Alright guys, so me and E, I'm trying to get my first hook shot. Wait, Angel, how many research points do you have?
4.
Alright, so wait. Are you able to get pickaxe? Are you gonna get pickaxe?
No, I'm not gonna get it. I want to get look, come. Look, wait, no. Never mind. Look. Come over here. Look. I wanna get left hip. I mean tactical right hip. Because if I get it with the hook shot, I can like I'm kind of like one of those people who work on construction. Like I just place it and you know how I drop it and it sticks? I can do that.
Alright, are we ready to go back, guys? Alright, guys. Also, the reason that we're recording Animal Company's videos is because he kind of convinced me without convincing me. Alright, lead the way. The chosen one should lead the way.
As the kid, I yearned for the mines.
No, you did not.
How would you touch lava?
Lava's basically the equivalent to grass. This game. Alright, so this is the path, right?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
What a safety. Right?
No, this isn't the path for planetary.
Yes, it is.
No.
Remember we killed the spider?
Then we left. Then we went somewhere else. Remember?
Alright. Alright, let's go. Oh, where are you?
Where did we go again?
I think it was this way.
Yeah, we did go over here, I think.
Nah, no, we didn't. That's
Did we go one more?
no. Alright, never mind. Let's just check up this place. Huh?
Go to the third floor. I found the cave.
Oh, you found it?
Over
Okay.
here.
I've been at the a few seconds behind you though. Alright, you take those ones. Is he camping?
Yeah, just go over him.
Oh god, I hit my control by something. I nearly
You can take these. You can take these.
all of them?
Yeah. We just already took that bunch. Look, viewers, I do share research orders.
Yeah. Unless he's in a private, then not gonna lie though, Angel in a private is kinda deadly because he can do glitch.
What?
Angel can do glitch in private. Okay, you take some. Is there any on this side?
It's in here. No,
Bucks. Right, Angel, we know the drill. Let go of the pickaxe. Nom 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 nom. Oh wait, go to the small one. Go to the small one. We're going. Never mind. That one does not work. Bye bye. How do I?
Or Aiden, remember the first time we went to planetarium?
Yeah. No, Angel. Remember the first time that I showed you this game though?
Yeah, at first I hated this game.
And now look at him. Oh, I died.
Best game ever.
I died. I fell in the water.
Or did you?
I literally sank the water. Alright, give me a hook shot. Wait, can you give me like 3 hook shots, Angel, so I can put them in storage? The stash. Here, chip.
Got enough?
Yeah, that's good. Alright.
What happened to your first hit shot?
Oh, I died.
You disappointing. Aiden, look, I'm floating.
Oh, you are. It's fun. Oh wait, is this how you put them in the stash? Or is this how?
Yeah. As a kid, I yearned for the mines.
As a
Look,
kid.
Aiden, I'm floating.
Now that brother is floating in the air. He's hacking. Right. I think I have enough in my stash now. I mean, I think my stash is pretty set up. Cause today I swear I yearn for the mines. No, I ain't gonna yearn for those mines. Right, Angel. Come here.
I believe that inside. Wait.
I believe that I yearn for the mines. I'm only gonna get after hook shot. After I get yeet shot and hook shot, Angel, I think I'm gonna try to get the backpacks.
You don't really need those backpacks.
Do I have my
You already got
backpack
them.
equipped already?
No.
What?
Wait, give me a second. Pause, wait.
Angel, I can't pause it. Don't want you, weevily bee. Don't want you, boy. Take some flour and happen. Take a cake for Charlie. 5 times 5 is 45. 1 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. Oh god, I got a dick.
Tears. Aiden doesn't wait for me when I tell him to wait.
Ow. I'm literally like 75. Well, it was nice meeting you.
One has to fight to death.
Because I'm actually hitting you.
Oh, I get to the football, so about to that, so fair enough.
Ooh.
Remember to like and subscribe and
Oh yeah, he is right, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, guys. So we could not get hook shot today. But we are going to try tomorrow, since we can definitely do it tomorrow. We have 4 research points, so we'll be good. Oh yeah, if you're wondering how to get this much money, Angel just duped. Something. Angel just duped. I forget what he duped. This is funny. So yeah. Like and subscribe and make sure to have a great day. God bless you. Bye bye.